What's up and welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching about how you can go and promote your YouTube videos. It is going to be payment method. That means you have to spend some money in order to gain some views. So for that there's an amazing website that is named as Pramolta. I'll add the link of this website in my description so you can go and directly lead to this website. So now you have to go and start promoting your video content, which is going to be as a campaign. So you can log in with start campaign and all sign in with your Facebook. So after you have logged in, so I have already logged into my account of Pramolta. So what you have to do is you have to select the video which you want to promote. So let me just go and search for the video which I want to promote. So this is the link which I want to promote my video. So let it load.
What's up, everyone? Welcome.
So after it loads, click on share. It is going to give me the link of my video. So I'm going to copy that link and go back to Pramolta, control and paste that one and search that one. So this is the video which I selected, which I want to promote. Click on select. So it is going to say that you want likes and comment or you want subscribers. So I want subscribers. And you want gender for male or female. I will go with male. Which age you want, you can select. Like, I don't care which age I want this video to be selected. So it is going to be global, that is worldwide. So I'm going to go and determine that I only want for India. So I'll select India. So if you want, you can go with categories. So if you have a category, do that, otherwise keep it on auto. So if you want to add keywords, so type, I'm go and add TubeBuddy as a keyword. You can go and do as many as you like. Next you want to go and do is click on select. So it is going to give you the budget that is going to be $100. It will give you 3,333 likes. So I will go with 10 if you want, just like a beginner. So I will go with $10 and I want the views 333. If you click on start campaign, it is going to ask for the campaign which you want to go and promote. So you have to pay the amount, and after some times you are going to gain some views on your YouTube channel, and that's how you can go and start earning something. So I selected I want subscribers, so I will get some subscribers using Pramolta. So this was the money method, but if you want, you can go with slow method. But if you want to go and get some views, you don't care about the money, this is the method you can go and get some views on your YouTube channel. So Pramolta, it actually has some website. They are going to share your video on their website and also share it on their blog. So that's how you can go and get some views on that. So see you guys next time.